Good morning, everyone. We will be doing the complete revision of the chapter, The Earth in the Solar System. Now, the first question. Please take out first a rough register. What are celestial bodies? Why have you come then? What are celestial bodies? Come on, answer. You all can open your books. You all can answer. Books. Okay, so no need for a book. What are celestial bodies?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, child.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I tell?
repeat the question.
Ma'am, the heavenly.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please, ma'am, repeat the question because, ma'am, I am meeting the heading.
Answer me the question, what are celestial bodies? No one? What is meant by celestial bodies? The heavenly bodies like sun, moon, earth, planets, all are called celestial bodies. Okay? Those who shine in the night sky, they are called celestial bodies. Okay? Okay. Question number 2. Next. What are stars? Open these windows. What are stars?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Sure.
Some celestial bodies are bigger, are very bigger and hot. They are called stars.
Okay, they have their light of their own. Okay. Next, name the star which is nearest to the earth.
Ma'am, Alpha Century.
What about sun? Sun is near. If I ask that, my next question was name the star other than sun which is nearest to earth. Then the answer is Alpha Centauri. Did you get the two answers? When I asked name the star closest to the earth, the answer is sun. When I say other than sun, name the nearest star to the earth, then the answer is
Ma'am, Alpha Century.
okay. Next question. What are constellations?
Ma'am, can I tell?
A group of stars called constellation. Okay. Can you name any two constellations?
Ma'am, Ursa Major and Small Bear.
No, it's the same. Ursa Major, and then there is another Ursa Minor.
Saptarishi. Ma'am, Saptarishi.
I was going to ask this. It's a part of one constellation. Okay. Name the constellation which is visible to us. What is the other name of the small bear? Then the
Ma'am,
answer.
Saptarishi. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ursa Major.
Yes. Now the answer is Saptarishi. Okay. The North Star indicates which direction?
Ma'am, North.
Ma'am, North.
Okay. Can you tell the other name of the
Ma'am,
North
Pole
Star?
Star.
Ma'am,
Very
Pole Star.
Very good. Next question. What are planets?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the word planet comes
not
from the
the
Greek word planetai, which means wanderers.
If you answer like this, you will not get it. One of you first tell me your name.
Ma'am,
The name.
Ritesh Agarwal.
Okay,
Ma'am,
begin.
Arnab Singh.
Now you
Ma'am,
will not.
Ma'am, the word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers.
Okay, so what are planets?
Ma'am, the celestial bodies that do not have the light of their own. They are lit by the light of the stars.
Very good. Okay, from where does the word planet come and what does it mean?
Ma'am, Greek
Ma'am,
word
the word
planetai,
planet
which
word
means
comes
wanderers.
from Greek word that is planetai.
Which means
Wanderers.
In wanderers.
okay. Name one natural satellite of the Earth.
Ma'am, moon.
Ma'am, moon.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
What
moon.
are galaxies?
Ma'am, the millions
Ma'am,
of
millions
stars
of
that
stars together form a group of
are called a galaxy. Our sun belongs to a galaxy called Milky Way.
There are millions of galaxies in our universe. Our sun belongs to the galaxy called Milky Way galaxy.
Ma'am, may I tell Ritisha Agarwal now?
Yes, Ritisha. Please, what is a galaxy?
Ma'am, millions of stars together form a group of galaxy. Our sun belongs to a galaxy called Milky Way or Akash Ganga.
Answer for this is only this much. Okay. Millions of stars together form a group which is called galaxy. Answer is only this much. Can you name the galaxy to which we belong?
Ma'am, Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga?
Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga.
You only will not be able to know the answers because you all are answering in club. I have told once that either you tell your name and then I will ask the person. You cannot.
Ma'am, Ritisha Agarwal.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Ritisha.
Varna Singh.
Ma'am, Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga?
Okay. Name any other galaxy that you are aware of.
Ma'am, Varna Singh.
Yes.
Ma'am, Andromeda galaxy.
Andromeda galaxy. Okay. What is a solar system?
Ma'am, Manvi Tandon.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Arnab Singh.
Ritisha Agarwal.
Manvi.
Ma'am, the solar system is the name given to the collection of heavenly bodies that circle around the sun.
Okay. Now tell me how many planets are there?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Manvi
Ma'am,
Tandon.
8 planets.
Ma'am, 8.
Don't
Ma'am,
answer
Manvi
like this.
Tandon.
Stop.
Ma'am, Arnab Singh.
Stop. I'm offline class. Yes. How many planets are there?
Good morning, ma'am. Agam Dhyani present, ma'am.
You don't know the proper sequence. Anyone from here?
Ma'am,
Manvi.
Ritisha Agarwal.
Ma'am, Manvi Tandon.
Ma'am, Arnab Singh.
Ma'am, 8 planets.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 8 planets.
Ma'am,
Name them.
Ma'am, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune.
Ma'am, Ritisha Agarwal.
Now it is done.
Ma'am, Arnab Singh.
The temperature of the sun at the surface.
Ma'am, please tell again the question. Your voice was cut.
Temperature of the sun at its surface.
Ma'am, 5,500 degrees Celsius.
No. 6,000 degrees Celsius. Next. Which is rock planet?
Ma'am, which is first planet?
Rock. Rock.
Ma'am, Pluto.
Got the answer. Okay. Which is the smallest planet closest to the sun?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Arnab
Mercury.
Singh. Ma'am, Arnab Singh.
Mercury.
Okay. Which planet is called the morning and the evening star?
Ma'am, Venus.
Ma'am, Venus.
Ma'am, Venus.
Which is next question? Which is a blue planet?
Ma'am, Earth.
Ma'am, Neptune.
Ma'am, Earth.
Neptune.
Earth.
Ma'am, Earth.
Okay, red planet.
Ma'am, Mars.
Ma'am, Mars.
Mars. Ma'am, Mars.
Okay, which is the largest planet?
Ma'am,
Jupiter.
Ma'am, Jupiter.
Now, name the planet which has beautiful rings around it.
Ma'am, Saturn.
Ma'am, Saturn.
Okay. What is the shape of the earth?
Ma'am, round.
Spherical. Ma'am, spherical.
Ma'am, spherical.
Ma'am, geoid.
Spherical.
Ma'am, geoid.
Yours.
Ma'am, geoid.
Okay. Name some artificial satellites.
Ma'am, IRS.
Okay.
Ma'am, IRS,
Ma'am,
EduSat.
IRS, EDU,
Insat.
EDUSat.
Ma'am, IRS, EduSat.
Sat.
INSAT, IRS,
Ma'am,
and EDUSAT. Okay. Name the first Indian to travel into space.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Rakesh Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma.
Ma'am, Rakesh Sharma.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Ritisha
please repeat the
Agarwal.
question.
You have to take out which chapter?
Ma'am, Ritisha Agarwal.
Ma'am, please repeat the
Ma'am, the
Yes,
small.
Well,
Ma'am, the small.
Ma'am, within the solar system, millions of tiny bodies revolve around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids or planetoids.
okay. Where are they located?
Ma'am, between Mars and Jupiter.
Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The area from where Mars rotates and the area from where Jupiter. In between these rotating areas, there are asteroids. Okay. Okay. Name one comet which appears after 76 years.
Ma'am, Halley's Comet.
Ma'am, Halley's Comet.
Halley's Comet. Very good. What are meteoroids?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
unattended.
pieces that fall on the earth are called
Ma'am, the small
meteoroids.
species of rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Meteoroids are also called shooting stars.
Ma'am, Ritisha Agarwal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
another thing.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
unattended.
the small pieces of rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Meteorites are also called shooting.
Okay, okay. Now, what are meteoroids?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
meteor
meteor fragments
fragments
that reach the ground are known as meteorites. Ma'am, Ritisha.
Ma'am, unattended.
Okay, Manvi, this time.
Ma'am, meteor fragments that reach the ground are known as meteorites.
Yes. Very good. Define universe.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Ritisha Agarwal.
Yes.
Ma'am, the sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies, which constitute the vast, endless universe.
Okay. I have given you one definition. If you wish, you can use that because that is more defining.
Ma'am,
Okay,
you have
because-
given this definition only.
No,
yes, ma'am, universal.
Ma'am, you're not.
I have given this other one. I'm telling you, universe is all existing matter and space considered
Yes,
as
ma'am, you have given.
cosmos. The universe contains a vast number of galaxies. It has been expanding since its creation. Now, when you are saying the answer about the sun, moon, and stars, you are talking about one particular galaxy because sun, moon, and other planets are just a part of our Milky Way galaxy. Many galaxies along with the huge open space forms the universe. Okay, so there's a little difference. That is why I gave you this answer. Okay, now next question. Which of the following is termed as shooting stars? Meteors or asteroids?
Meteors.
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 Meteoroids. Meteoroids. Which is nearest planet to the sun? Come on.
Mercury.
Mercury.
Okay. Don't answer the turn. All the planets, they move around the sun in dash path. What is that path?
Orbital.
Elliptical path.
Elliptical orbit.
Elliptical path. Okay. Dash is the brightest planet in the solar system.
Ma'am, Venus.
Venus.
Yes. Venus. The second planet of the solar system is not the first. No. Saturn. Okay. So with this, we come to an end of the chapter. Now from chapter, please stick the diagrams which I would like you all to practice. Practice the solar system, the Saptarishi. Okay? Practice system, the Saptarishi. You get it? Now,
No,
in our
ma'am.
pardon?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I can't found the Saptarishi.
Saptarishi is that constellation diagram. Okay?
Ma'am, Ursa Major Big Bear constellation.
Yes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
In our next class, we will take up the next chapter. Is it okay? Or should I take one civics chapter just now? We have some time.
Ma'am, we have lot of time.
I know. So what I'll do is I will end this recording because this is geography recording, and I will take the